Yo, not in the plastic wrap, not in the plastic wrap. All right, so I've been seeing this trend all over TikTok, and clearly girls don't know jack shit about flowers either. All right, let me show you guys what's up. Usually I try to teach the fellas how to make flower arrangements, but this time, this lesson is for the ladies. Because real talk, how do you expect guys to know when girls don't even know what's up? This is what you guys are doing. You can't give flowers in this ugly plastic wrap and this tag on it, you know what I'm saying? Saying, hey, I got you these flowers is the same thing as saying, honey, I made you a sandwich. No, you didn't. No. You're making me do the work. Remember, you're giving her a gift, not a task. Yeah, the flowers are pretty, but this is just basic salt and pepper. You want to spice it up with some greenery, all right? All right, ladies, let's get started. Keep this. Ugly wrap has got to go. And we're gonna have to prep and clean the flowers. All right, so let's get rid of the bruised petals. This guy, just take it off. Nice and clean. Again, remove the bruised petals. This guy can go, and this guy can go. And you can do this to open it up. All right, we are pretty much done prepping the flowers. Flower power, motherfucker! Now I picked these white flowers with like a green tint on it because I want to make something earthy, you know? Rosemary, eucalyptus, fresh. So fresh and so clean. So I got this thing, and you're just gonna go right over here, and voila! Wapa! And the reason why we're doing this is because we can't have any of the leaves in the water, you know what I'm saying? It's just gonna make the flower go bad. This is a really long piece, but we're not gonna waste any of it. I'm just gonna cut it right here. Boom. Now you got two pieces. So this one's ready. Got this. Put that together here. Eucalyptus. A rose. This is the center, okay? Remember that. This flower is leaning right. Just let it do what it wants to do. Instead of fighting it, I'm just gonna let it go right here. There we go. This already smells so good. It's all about balance. This one's leaning to the left, so just put it where it looks best when it leans left. Almost done. There's some empty space right over here, so I'm just gonna pop it right in there. And I'm just looking for empty spaces, right? Rotate. The greenery helps it make it look full, so it doesn't look cheap and small, and it just enhances the smell. It makes the roses pop. I like to cover any of the stems with greenery, so I'm just gonna cover that. Now let's tie it up. String, just gonna go all the way around. Tie it real quick. Now we wrap it. I just kind of fold it so it's like this. Like this. Yeah. Right here. Wrap that. Wrap that. This stuff is called raffia. Add a little final touch. Boom. And now you're done. It looks great, it smells fantastic, and it only took about 15 minutes. Now all the recipient has to do, get a vase, get one of these, try to cut it at an angle. Just drop it in. That's it. Don't forget to smile.